Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix video glitches and flickering in YouTube in your INFINIX Hot 60i. At first, go to the settings. Here, go now to the display brightness and tap, at first scroll down and tap screen refresh rate. Here, if you do have it set to auto switch immediately either to standard or high. This will disable. This will just get rid of the stutters, get rid of the flickering and video glitches, and high or standard will stabilize the video playback QoD. Apart from that, you can just restart your device or reinstall YouTube or just lower the QoD. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.